Hey there everybody, welcome to This Better Home, a channel for do-it-yourself home projects, and I also do lots of home product reviews. This video starts now, and we are going to be doing a home product review on this product. It's called a Buddha board, if you're looking for a way to kind of melt away stress through calligraphy or art, practice mindfulness or meditation. This is the claim from the company, and I agree. I will, by the way, put a link in the description below, but as I draw some letters and symbols here, it actually is quite soothing, surprisingly. You wouldn't necessarily think so. But basically you take your water, there's a little reservoir there, and you fill it up. It's got a bamboo brush included and a holder for it, so everything fits really nicely together, and it of course is very aesthetic. I really like the simple design, and we'll get a zoomed out shot here in a minute, but you can see here practicing some stress relieving techniques. It's pretty cool. I like it. And after about 4 or 5 minutes, you'll see your water that you just put on the board kind of start to fade and disappear. Now, you don't want to have too much water on your brush. It'll glob up. You can see the dots there that I put are actually beading, and they'll actually drip down. So make sure your brush is not indeed saturated. And here's another shot about a minute or so later. Things are definitely starting to fade. The lighter the watermark, the faster it will dry. And by the way, this is great for kids as well as adults. I have a 3 and a 5-year-old who will spend literally 10 to 15 minutes at least doing this. It's a great way to pass the time. So anyway, hopefully this video has been helpful for you. For more products like this and other cool videos, be sure to subscribe. Thanks.